Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video of Thamel Pigeon. I hope you all guys are well. So today I'm going to show you all my baby fantails with different colors. I will take out all of them and show you their beautiful colors. So as you can see, these kings, black king pair, and they are also growing well. So before that, I'm going to show you some bantams, all of my bantams. As you can see, this Frizzle Bantam, this blackish color, and this is Japanese Bantam, and one is there. So this is my main breeder Bantam. Actually it's called Thai Bantam. I have separated this male in this loft because if I will release this male, then with this male they will fight with each other. That's why I need to separate all the time. If I will release this male, then I need to close that black male, and I need to release this black male, then I need to close this thigh. As you can see, this female is also in molding, and as you can check out this beautiful little bantams which are growing well. So now I am going to feed them boiled rice. So let's see how they will eat boiled rice. So I have already brought this boiled rice, and check out these birds. They have already started to attack this boiled rice, so I'm gonna keep it in slow. So when these adult females come here and eat this rice, these little birds can't eat. That's why I need to keep these birds separate and feed them. So now I'm going to keep separate and feed them. So I have already separated that adult bantams and started to keep this pellet to our feed, and I will add some more boiled rice. It's very healthy for this little growing chickens because it's boiled and it doesn't have any chemicals, so it's very fresh for this growing birds. As well, it's better for egg laying process also. That's why I feed like this. And now I'm going to show you some bantam chickens. This was just hatched yesterday. Check these beautiful fluffy birds. There are about 6 black bantams and one is white. So I have kept water and feed in this also, and they all are staying in sunlight. So it's natural brooder actually. At night only I kept them in artificial brooder, but at the morning time I just kept them like this in sunlight because it's being little hot nowadays. So they are also staying very warm. And here's other red bantam, 2 red bantam also, and kept with these coils. At night time I just plug in this and here will be it maintained. As you can see, these female bantams are in the process of incubation. So I'm starting to take out all my baby fantails with different colors. So this is one, and I'm moving in this loft. So there are different types of fantails. So I will take out all birds and continue. I have taken out most of my fantails. I have not taken out all fantails. So as you can see, this is in full black color. As you can see, this is little brown, and this is in grizzle color. This full white, this lavender with some red, and this one is also in unique color, as you can see. And this one is chocolate color. So I hope you like this video. I will be updating about all my fancy birds. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you everyone.